Concurrency problem in DBMS. When multiple transactions execute concurrently in an uncontrolled or unrestricted manner, then it might lead to several problems. Such problems are called as concurrency problem. Types of concurrency control problem. There are mainly four types of concurrency control problem: dirty read problem, unrepeatable read problem, lost update problem, and phantom read problem. Now, what is that read problem? Reading the data written by an uncommitted transaction is called as dirty read. This read is called as dirty read because there is always a chance that the uncommitted transaction might roll back later. Thus, uncommitted transaction might make other transaction read a value that does not even exist. This led to inconsistency of the database. This is the example of that read problem. There is a two transaction T1 and T2. Here T1 read the value of A, then T1 update the value of A in the buffer. After that, T2 read the value of A from the buffer. T2 write the updated value of A. Then T2 commit their transaction. After that, T1 fail in later stages and roll back their transaction. So in this example, T2 read the dirty value of A written by the uncommitted transaction T1. T1 fail in later stage and roll back. Thus, the value that T2 read now stand to be incorrect. Therefore, database became inconsistent. So this type of problem is called dirty read problem. Dirty read does not lead in inconsistency always. It became problematic only when the uncommitted transaction fail and roll back later due to some reason. Unrepeatable read problem. This problem occurs when a transaction gets to read unrepeated, that is, different value of the same variable in its different read operation even when it has not updated its value. Unrepeatable read problem is also known as inconsistent read table. Here is the example of unrepeatable read problem. Here is two transactions, transaction T1 and T2. T1 read the value of X, say 10. T2 read the value of X, 10. Say the value is 10. T1 update the value of X from rupees 10 to rupees 15 says in the buffer. T2 again read the value of X, but now the value is updated is 15. In this example, T2 get to read a different value of X in its second reading. T2 wonder how the value of X got changed because according to it, it is running in isolation.